This is Form Card, a handy pocket-sized card of meltable bioplastic that you can use to make, fix and modify the world around you. You can mould it quickly and simply to make little solutions to everyday problems. When it's cool, it's really strong like nylon, so you can make solid, durable solutions with it. And then you can reheat it again and again to adapt, change and reuse it. Because it's a handy card size, you can keep one in your pocket, wallet, kitchen drawer or toolbox so that it's there whenever and wherever it's needed. And because you know it melts in a cup of hot water, that might be in a cafe to fix a broken umbrella, or around a campfire to fix a broken tent pole. It's strong enough for quick solutions to emergency situations, like when you've forgotten a tool for a job or a handle breaks on something. Plastic has got a bit of a bad name. It's associated with a cheap, disposable world in which things break easily and then end up in the bin. Form card is the opposite of that world. When it's very hot, it sticks to other plastics, so you can actually use it to instantly fix things, say a plastic shovel when you're on holiday. There are loads of amazing applications, and we'll be posting more examples online as the project develops.
Are you one of the millions losing sleep from overheating, night sweats, or hot flashes? Or do chilly beds and cold feet keep you up at night? Wouldn't it be amazing if you and your partner could each have your own perfect sleep temperature on your own side of the bed instantly and on demand? Introducing the Gadget. the world's first ultra-rapid cooling, heating, and climate control system made just for your bed. The Gadget uses revolutionary direct convect air technology, sending air directly into your bedding to provide quiet and luxurious cooling and heating comfort. Use the Gadget on any size bed, any type mattress, and install under the bed in just minutes. Control your comfort via wireless remote or our Bluetooth smartphone app. Just press a button to cool off instantly with a dry and refreshing room temperature breeze through the sheets, or warm your bedding to that toasty, just out of the dryer feeling in only 180 seconds. With over 50% of couples having different sleep temperature needs, the Gadget solves the nighttime battle over the thermostat between you and your partner. Using our dual zone air comforter accessory, now each side of the bed is independently cooled or warmed, giving you and your partner your own perfect sleep temperature just the way you want. We spend 1/3 of our lives in bed. Why settle for anything less than perfect, luxurious comfort and a great night's sleep? Plus, save hundreds on your utility bills by cooling or heating just where you sleep and not where you don't. Bring a Gadget home today, sleep happier, sleep better, and reinvent your bed to become one of the most delightful places in your home.
Meet Power Up 3, the first ever smartphone-controlled paper airplane. Using state-of-the-art technology, Power Up 3 turns your embarrassing paper plane into a lean, mean flying machine. Just fold a piece of copy paper into a plane, attach Power Up 3 and install the app. Now call your mom and tell her you're a pilot, cause it works out of the box. In the back of the module are a propeller and a rudder that are in charge of controlling the plane. In the front there's an advanced chip with powerful Bluetooth smart technology for an amazing 60 hours of controlled flight and a tiny rechargeable battery to power this amazing beast.
Does this look familiar?
Out of juice? Charge the battery with
Forget
any micro
that.
USB cable. Planes should
This
be built for
is
flying
Eclipse,
and for
the
crashing.
new, neater way
That's
to charge
why all
your
components
devices.
of the Power Up 3 are super durable and crash-proof. Power Up 3
With its compact and round design, it can live on your nightstand, desk, or even your wall. Eclipse is more than just a
This is Tado, a little device that makes your AC unit smart. At 7 in the morning, Tado sets the AC unit to the right temperature. This is Lizzie and Harold. Harold is known for reading a little too much and forgetting things a little too often. Lizzie, on the other hand, likes things at 90-degree angles and taking care of Harold. Thanks to Tado, Harold doesn't have to remember to turn off the AC when he leaves. Tado does it for him. While he is out at the market, the AC is off so they aren't wasting any energy. When Harold is approaching home, Tato reassures him that his home is pre-cooling to his preferred temperature setting. Tato is multilingual. It can speak with any remote-controlled AC unit. After a long, hot day, Harold is thrilled to get home to his pre-cooled apartment. Wouldn't you be?